Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and I welcome you to another wonderful video. Very recently, Cambridge IELTS, they have given a wonderful lollipop to many IELTS candidates, and that lollipop is single module retake. Now, before the arrival of single module retake, expectations were that it would be a game changer. Students who have to reappear in IELTS exam, they would only appear in one module and all that stuff. Students were very excited, and after 1 year of this rumor, they actually offered single module retake. Now, why do I call it a lollipop? Okay, I mean, single module retake is just a lollipop, and I'm telling you why. The first and most important thing is they did not offer single module retake on paper delivered IELTS. Most popular IELTS is paper delivered IELTS. Like 70% people, they take paper delivered IELTS, and 30% people take computer delivered IELTS, right? Now, they have given this option on computer delivered IELTS so that they could use it as a prominent feature of computer delivered IELTS, that you can reappear in one of the modules as well. The first thing. Now, after this, the second thing is that, can you give me the message team? In the team, we've got a message on this, okay? Now, second thing is this, that within 60 days of your IELTS exam, you have to apply for this retake option. And by the way, the fee of single module retake is 50% or half of your actual IELTS exam fee. See that? Another thing, 50%. Like if it was one module, it should have been 25%. I mean, this is what we can understand, that all right, single module, 4 modules, this is the amount, and single module, 25% of IELTS exam. But they have set the fee 50% or half of your IELTS exam fee. One thing. Second, now the band score which they are going to give you. Now let me tell you, some universities, colleges, immigration officers and all that, they are actually concerned about it, right? Why are they concerned about it? They are concerned about it, team. Why are they concerned? Because sometimes they want your IELTS test result that is, altogether one exam, not like supplementary exam. So they want your IELTS test result like that is given in one go all together, and they accept that. If you guys remember, during the COVID time, IELTS introduced IELTS indicator, and IELTS indicator was a test that was online test. You could take it from your home, and universities, immigration authorities, straight away they refused to accept IELTS indicator. And as a result, IELTS indicator was a great disaster. It was a failure. Some students took IELTS indicator because due to COVID, exam centers were closed, and IELTS indicator was a test which you could take from your home. But universities and other authorities, they did not accept that IELTS indicator, okay? All right, so let's see. Now, this is the second thing. So, the third thing is within 60 days of your exam, you have to actually appear in this exam, right? Within 60 days, right? And if it is more than that, then you will not be able to do that. And this is only computer delivered IELTS exam. Now, very recently, one of my students appeared in IELTS retake, right? And after going through the retake, actually he had low band score in reading module, and then he improved his reading module by 1.5. Now what did they do? They wrote reading old result along with plus 1.5 increment, and then overall band score, what they mentioned, that is same band which they gave before retake, but they have written plus 0.5. Okay, I've got this result with me. I wish I could show you this result, right? Can they see that? Not clearly. Okay, so reading band, 5 band is written plus 1.5. They have not written 6.5. They've written 5 band plus 1.5, and then overall band is 6, and they have written plus 0.5. Okay, so I mean, we need to see the credibility of this, whether universities, colleges, immigration officials, immigration agencies, are they going to accept it or not. Second important thing, on IELTS UKVI, you don't have this option. On paper delivered IELTS, you don't have this option. On IELTS UKVI computer delivered, paper delivered, they don't have this option. So it's limited, right? It was only a sort of a lollipop given to improve the, to improve the percentage of students who appear in computer delivered IELTS. Now they'll say you should go for computer delivered IELTS because there they give you single module retake. But the single module retake is given like, you know, if a student failed in the exam and you gave grace marks, in my times, even now, they have grace marks. If someone failed with 1 to 2 marks, they give them grace marks, right? So what are they doing now? They are giving you the grace marks, but they are mentioning you failed. Okay, we gave you the grace mark. So the band score that you improve, that is written, but your original band score is there as well. And one more thing which is positive, if after single module retake your band score decreases, so you can have your previous band score, you can use that as well. So this is all about it, but it's too early to say anything. Let's wait for a couple of months when these certificates will go to universities, colleges, immigration officials and all that. Now what do they do? How do they react to it? Then we will be able to see whether single module retake is a good idea or it's just like, you know, a sort of a spot on your face that shows previous band was 5 and 1.5 plus, right? They should have issued a new TRF, like, you know, when we have EOR, inquiry on results. So after inquiry on results, they issue a new TRF and they don't write previous score. They only write current score and that's it. So they should have been something like that. But on the TRF of single module retake, they mention clearly that this is the result of single module retake and this is the previous result. So candidate can use any of these two results. All the best, guys. You know, whenever information comes to me, I try to impart that with you. I try to impart that knowledge with you so that you are very well aware. It's not just IELTS preparation which is important. It's your general knowledge about IELTS. What are the options? What are your rights? All these things are extremely important as well. All the best. I also teach IELTS online all over the world, and in campus in Lahore, we offer IELTS test booking service in Pakistan. We offer PTE classes by our expert trainers, spoken English classes by expert trainers. So if you are interested, you can contact me on WhatsApp. I'll reply you personally. All the best. Take care. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.